In the ancient worlds of Greece and Crete, the concepts of virginity and justice were deeply and complexly interwoven, painting a vivid picture of societies grappling with honor, property, and personal rights. In mainland Greece, particularly in city-states like Athens, a woman's virginity was not merely a personal state, but a cornerstone of social order and patriarchal power. It was a tangible asset belonging to her father, signifying the purity of his lineage and guaranteeing the legitimacy of future heirs. The law was constructed to protect this asset. If a man seduced a virgin, he could be compelled by her father to marry her, absorbing her into his own household. If marriage was not an option, the seducer was liable to pay a significant sum in compensation, not to the woman, but to her male guardian. The legal response to rape, however, reveals a starkly different and more brutal reality. The crime was not seen as a violation of the woman's body or autonomy, but as a trespass against the property and honor of her male guardian. The rapist was forced to pay a fine, but this fine was a financial settlement paid directly to the father or husband, a monetary acknowledgement of the damage done to his property. The woman herself had no legal standing to seek justice. In contrast, the legal code of Gorton in ancient Crete, one of the most complete and fascinating legal documents to survive from the Greek world, offers a more nuanced perspective. While still operating within a patriarchal framework, Cretan law was remarkably forward-thinking for its era. The Gorton Code established a detailed and tiered system of penalties for rape, with the fines explicitly varying based on the social status of both the perpetrator and the victim. A free woman who was violated commanded a much higher fine than a female slave, and the status of the man also factored into the penalty. While these fines were still directed to the woman's guardian, the Cretan system represented a significant evolution. It was a clear, codified attempt to quantify the severity of the crime and acknowledge the woman was in place within the social hierarchy, moving beyond a simple notion of property damage and toward a more structured, albeit still imperfect, form of justice.